actually says that it is supposed to. After that, another.
And the company is awarded as the first Japan's SDGs award by the Japanese Foreign Minister in 2017 for the contribution to the health and hygiene, including wash and medium hands activities in Uganda. Last but not least, the leaders at the ministries, Government Uganda, Kono district, communities and schools, I think each of you are the important partners to improve the health and welfare of Lukono, enhancing the friendship between Japan and Uganda. Many before me talked about VHT. This kind of project, the people at the ground, the grassroots, without these people, we cannot get a success. Thank you.
Fatuma Lisaba, who is taking her seat. And now I'm very...
Omuntu waffe representative okuva mu Jaika kyagambye kino nkyogera mu Luganda mwe muba mukiwulira nti baleeta culture, baleeta obuwangwa okuva e Japan babutuleetere mu Uganda obw'okunaaba engalo tusobole okwongeza ku buwangaazi bwaffe ng'ewaabwe bwe bawangala emyaka 84 wano mu Uganda tuwangala nkaaga ndowooza kati 65 bo bali ku 84.
Name is being spoken even in Japan. What you are doing. Well done, and we like it.
VHTs ensako bukyatutandika mulimu guno tubadde akasente tekajja bulungi naye olwokuba nti tuli ba VHTs tetukola gwa nakyewa ekyo ffe tukola mirimu gyaffe.
This time Saraya to start on the demonstration.